My name is Oscar Rodriguez. I'm a graphic designer and I'm based in Mexico City. I'm a collage artist, but I want to get away from the classic collage aesthetic. So what I do is that I use a lot of geometric shapes with a lot of powerful color and then mix it up with vintage images. I feel fascinated by the experience of deep human emotion, psychedelics, love, and in a way I kind of receive a message and now is my time to spread it to the world. And my collage artwork is my way to do that. I have been deeply involved with the Mexican creative scene and to see the work of my colleagues, illustrators, photograph artists, all that Mexican talent inspire me every day to do what I do.
I'm going to show you a few tricks that I have been using and discovering in Photoshop. We want to make compositions with circles. So I have my space photo. So I'm going to create a circle here and I'm going to cut it. So you go to filter and then go to blur, choose this one. And here you can add the amount of blur that you want to apply. I think that's good. Now I'm gonna do another circle, but I'm gonna apply a color of pink. I'm gonna fill it. And I'm gonna put it behind. And then in this menu, choose this one. I'm gonna duplicate this layer. I'm gonna make my circle orange. Okay, now we can apply a little bit of noise. And I like the way the noise texture the colors. I hope you guys enjoy this. Be nice. Bye.